All right. Now we're going to make a twisty tie. Twisty ties are fabulous. You end up with this great rope that you can do of any length that you can do all kinds of things with. Wonderful for making horsey reins, for belts, for hair ties. What else can you do with them, Ty? Making pulleys, for tying up books. Oh, all kinds of things. For making ties for bags. They're really, really simple to make. Great for two children to work on cooperatively together, or an adult and a child. And you just start with any length of wool, and you can use 2, 3 or more colors. And if you cut them off all the same length and then tie a knot in the end that the child's going to hold.
7?
You could use 7. You'd end up with a really thick rope, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Can you take the knot for me, sweetheart? All right. I'm going to go back this way a bit. Can you come up right a bit? That's it, so that people can see what you're doing. Now, we're going to twist. Which way are you twisting, Tiggy?
That way.
That way? Okay, and I'll twist the other way. And we'll twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. And watch what happens to the wool. And then we'll keep twisting. And twisting and twisting. And twisting and twisting. You can see the colours in the wool are starting to get closer and closer together. Hopefully you can. And twisting and twisting. Oh no! And if someone lets go, you've got to do a bit more twisting. That's the way.
That was an accident.
I know it was an accident.
We got too twisted.
Yeah. So that's something for two children to be aware of, and even for one child and an adult to be aware of, that nobody pulls it out of the other person's hand. You've got to work together and make sure there's a little bit of slack in the middle, just enough so it doesn't get pulled out of your hands, but not too much. And you twist until you start noticing little twists coming in the wool. And when you get to that point, yeah, that's a good one, you twist a bit more and make it a little bit tighter. I reckon we're just about there, Tiggy. What do you think? Yep. So then you find the middle of the wool and pinch it, and your helper comes towards you, and then we're going to walk our hands up the rope like this. One hand over the other. Pull down as you go, Tig. That's it, and let go. Watch what happens at the bottom. The magic happens. All the way to the top. Slide your hands to the bottom. Beautiful. And we have this very lovely, lovely rope of 3 colours. And we'll tie in a little knot at the top so that that won't undo. And this is quite a short one, but oh, would make a great headband or anything else you can think of.
And then this one.
And that one. Green spaghetti. Oh, spinach noodles. Yummy.
Yeah. Dog legs.
Dog leads. And I reckon they've even been used as umbilical cords when you've been playing at having babies, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So good for dog leads. Good for tying things together. So, spaghetti, dog leads, umbilical cords. I'm sure you can think of 100 more things that you can use them for. Go and start practicing your beautiful twisty ties.